कॉन्फरन्स घेवपाक कारण म्हळ्यार तुम्ही पळयला गोंयांत कितें चल्ला पळय तें नवं सरकार party will play its responsible role in keeping a tab on this government. खूपशे स्टेटमेंट्स येता सरकारा कडच्यान different ministries and there is no stability in that, no consistency in the statements that are coming. Each minister contradicting each other. And along with this part of playing the role of a responsible opposition party, which amche legislators are playing and the organization. The new party president, Mr. Amit Patkar, along with his new team, has decided on an outreach program. And your program, right from Kankon to Pendya to Walpur, akke Goy cover kartele in the days to come. Lokan mevon, Yutan mevon, giving a confidence to the Karnataka, encouraging them to come to the mainstream. Because large population of Goa as well, akka Bharatan amche, are of teenagers in their 20s and 30s. तांका mainstream हाडून कशें हाडपाचें, कशें तांचे कडेन आयडियाज घेवपाचे, कशें एक न्यू वातावरण आसा तें चेंज करून a coexistence, a friendly atmosphere built up करपाक. He will be taking this tour across the state. हाचेर फुडें उलोवपाक I request Mr. Amit Patkar, GPCC President, to speak. Good evening, everybody, and thank you, Captain. General new PCC President, Working President, and Dori GCC President, friends of the people of Goa, basically have voted against this government, against BJP. And especially Congress पक्ष जो बाय close to 23% जो आमचो वोट शेअर आशिल्लो तातूंतली तितके कारणां लागून म्हाका आमी फाटीं पडले. आणि ऑफिशियल हँडिंग ओवर सेरेमनी I made a statement that this time Congress mantra is going to be Congress म्हणटा ती प्रत्येक गोंयकारा कडेन पावतली. आणि ताका लागून we are starting with this program called as Goa Congress Chesna Yatra. So what is this program? So agenda कितें? The idea is जे Congress workers आसात, जे Congress sympathizers आसात, जे Congress पक्षाक मूव करतात, जे कांय कारणां लागून मे बी पक्षाकडल्यान पयस गेले आसतले, हांकां हो एक मेळपाचो एक opportunity to build the organization. And also if they want to, what they can do for the party, how they can be benefited, how party can be benefited with these people. आमचे different cells आसात, different frontal आसात. So people who want to join to these cells, organizations, these frontals, तांकां ही एक opportunity. Rather कोणची एक दीस meeting दवरच्यापेक्षा we thought that we will do a continuous, we'll do a process right from Pedne to Kankon. We visit all the constituencies. आम्ही cluster केला 2-3 constituencies where people can come to that place, meet us, आमचे ideas कितें आसात, आमचे suggestions कितें आसात, or whether they want to work for any frontal. So this is an outreach program where प्रत्येक गोंयकाराकडे पावपाचो एक प्रोग्राम, एक सुरवात. So once this tour is done, आणि जे आमकां फीडबॅक मेळटले, जे आमकां आयडियाज मेळटले, जे आमकां ज्या कोणाक काँग्रेस सिम्पथायझर वर्करांक जे जॉइन जावपाचे डिफरंट फ्रंटल सेल, we will scrutinize and then we will have a full new set of Congress. first we are starting this program on 21st, that is Thursday, and we will be starting it from our Pimpole MLA office. The first half will be in Pimpole, where we will be covering really Pimpole and Tepe area. So people from that area can come and meet us in Pimpole office. And in second half, we have kept it in Putturi. I mean, it is a program of about 8 days. At a detail we will give you, but I will just mention. Day one we are doing Pimpoli first half, second half we are doing Putturi. Putturi will cover Putturi, Savate and Sange. So people from this areas can come and meet us there. Day two, first half we are in Kumbargue. So Kumbargue and Priol we have club. People can come to Kumbargue MLA office. Second half we have kept Maksa, Kiri and Andana. So 2 hours we are going to be in Maksa district office, and 1 hour we will be in Andana MLA office. Day 3, first half we have kept exclusively for Kankon, because Kankon के लोग कोई और अभी DCC मरगांव या कोई पता नहीं, we have kept exclusively for Kankon. Second half we are in Konda, so we will be covering Konda, Siroda and Markoi. Day 4 we are in Kalangut CMC office, wherein we will be covering Taligaon, Kalangut, Sioli. Second half we are in Mandre, so we will cover Mandre and Pegnes. Day 5, first half we are in Portali, wherein we will cover Nuve and Portali. Second half we are in Marmugua MLA office. There we will cover Marmugua, Vasco and Daboli. Day 6 we are in DCC South, so full day we are going to be in South office. So people from Margaon, Patola, Naveli, Benaudin and Putturi will come to DCC office South. Day 7 we are in Victory, first half, where people from Victory, Patni and Mahe can come there. Second half will be in Valpoi, so people from Korea and Valpoi, Sattari Taluka can come to Valpoi. And the last day, that is day 8, will be PCC office Tanjin, where people from Tanjin, Santandre, Santa Cruz, Taligaon and Korburi can come and meet us. So this is a schedule of the program of Goa Congress Krishna Yatra. So I'm sure that जे कोई लोग पार्टी के लिए गेले असत for various reasons. So I appeal to all of them that Congress keep door open for you all if you want to join. Of course, it will be the decision will be taken by all our committees. It is not a decision which will be made. We will scrutinize and then we will take a call on that. But the idea is, the mantra is to reach to each and every goal. So once we are done with this exercise, we will strengthen our PCC, we will strengthen our DCC, we will strengthen our other frontals like Mahila, Youth, Sevadal, and NSA, of course, this is the students' wing. And after this, after post-monsoon, we are going to start a yatra, you can call it, which will run right from Pedme till Kankon. We will be spending exclusive time to each and every constituency to understand the people, local map of building youth level, building block level. So that is in due course of time, but I think first, just to keep the morale high, which is our elections we have lost with very marginal votes at some places. So just to keep the morale high of Congress workers and sympathizers, we thought that we should go and meet them and try to build this foundation for the new generation next Congress. So we will give you the complete schedule. And from media's, I would like to appeal all the goals. सगळ्या गोंयकारांक उलो मारता तुमच्या मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की जो आमी शेड्यूल दिला, तुमचे समज कितें सजेशन आसत, कितें आयडिया आसत, कितें विचार आसत, जाल्यार वी आर अवेलेबल इन दीस इनफॅक्ट अलवटी ऑफिस एट दॅट टायम. अवश्य तुमी येवन आमकां ते मेळपाक शकता. आनी समज जर कोणाकूय दिसता दॅट दे वॉन्ट टू जॉयन Congress, any Congress from, then you are most welcome.
सोडून जे गेला त्या लोकांना तुम्ही परत हाडटा भरपूर ते आमदार जे सोडून गेला ते
program Yatra is to strengthen the party. At the beginning only I said it is the Congress workers and Congress sympathizers. Whenever we use the word leaders, it is for the people. Leaders, they are available. Probably workers गेले असतील. So they must be hardcore Congressmen. So I appeal to all of them that they will come back. We will welcome them. अभी बात वही होता है अभी अपने लोग वाले में कांग्रेस का लेकिन डिसीजन होता है जो हम लोग चले गए हैं there is a lot of talent in Goa. I mean, they also take different things, mentors of so you want to strengthen them. So some of the parties जिसका they ऐसे किसके मतलब जो मैं you can get if I am interested in working in this field, that field. So we thought that rather जो कोण आम्हा ऑफिसर मेळटा आणि just living this, but we for entire Goa is कितके लोक असले people might be there from Kanpur. There people ना कोणीतरी समजून जातात. There might be people from Kanke, there might be people from Savate, people from Kottari Taluka. So we took a collective decision that we would go the tours of entire Goa to meet the people. What is the outcome of this yatra? Basically, the outcome we have told you. Our idea is this is going to be a new Congress, and we make sure that this time the Congress presence will be all across Goa. And the only mantra is Congress is because last time Sarkar तुमचं 10 मिनिट प्रोग्राम झाला तुमचं नाही आहे assembly program. So we don't want to do that program. This is like we actually go ahead with movie after this program and then after monsoon we प्रत्येक president will tell about 15 days 20 days maybe one people understanding the issue. Somebody like from this level membership that is later. This is not membership. This is just a program where लोकांना समज तुम्ही आता जितके लोक नवीन आमदार मिळतात सगळे नाही प्रत्येक पोलीसच्या प्रेसिडेंटला प्रॉब्लेम माहीत असतो आय डोंट नो बंद झाल्या लोक येतात 20 वर्ष लोकांना we make a Tagalapuram 2-3 constituency cluster करून we have done it all across Goa.
एक पाहते पक्षाचं तुमचे काही चिन्ह झाले असा की तुमचे ऑल युअर सिनियर लीडर्स हॅव लेफ्ट द पार्टी आणि लोकांचे म्हणजे दे हॅव जॉइन द अदर पार्टी सो आज लोकांचे जे इमेज झाला की काँग्रेसीक मत दिवप म्हणजे इट गोज बेस्ट बिकॉज दे कीप ऑन जम्पिंग टू अदर पार्टीज म्हणून सो आता विथ दिस न्यू जनरेशन दिस विल चेंज.
See, if you see the campaign, I mean, ज्यांना गोयच्या लोकांनी सांगले की डिफेक्शन जे केला त्यांना तिकीट दिनाका and I think काँग्रेस पक्षान ह्या फावट जे कॅन्डिडेट्स दिल्ले they were all, I mean, majority, I mean 70% were young fresh candidates, right? आणि जे 11 आमदार निवडून आयले तातूंतले 8 जण हे न्यू आसा फर्स्ट टाइम MLAs and they are fresh. सिनियरा भितर आमचे कडेन फक्त 3 MLA आसा and obviously see the point what you're saying की सिनियरान साइडलाइन केला I don't buy this point because सिनियरांचे गायडन्स आमकां जाय. They are there with fight.
I have said your sideline. I have said you have left the party.
No, senior have not left. No, I mean post election to which senior person has left the party.
Most of the leaders have left the party.
No, you're talking about pre-poll. We will not talk on pre-poll. No, we talk after.
अमित आता तुमचा एक MLA हा तो बीजेपी के फंक्शन तुम्ही म्हणता दिसून आपण तो फंक्शनाक दिसतो फाल्यां ते ट्रेन केन्ना वचत
we have spoken to him and you also have to understand the 8 of them are newly elected MLAs, okay, and they didn't knew. I mean ताका कोणी तरी actually पूछेगा पहिलो म्हणून गेलो. We have spoken to him and we have told him that next time don't, I mean not to repeat such mistake.
लोकसभेची तयारी तुमची जी चेतना यात्रा आता ती लोकसभेची तयारी
Yeah, sort of you can say. Actually आमची we are पहिली जाताले की काँग्रेस पार्टी I think इलेक्शन लागली आता त्यांना wake up. But this time, one thing I can assure you that Congress party will be always active for the next 5 years.
We have seen one more thing is that you have been experiencing since you have taken over the presidency. My dear colleague, holding the president, he is not acting now. He is the presidency covered.
We have seen him for the function.
He was there for the function. बराबर हम संजय कृष्णा यात्रा रास्ता में
election July and August. So that process will go to that process and our new committee will be formed. No, already in place. Who told you? Out of 40 blocks, I think 6 blocks dissolved in the election because of anti-party work. So apart from those 34 blocks are there. I told you 6 blocks were dissolved. Now the specific where now can become 6 blocks were dissolved into some anti-party work. Next one are there. I might have lost by mere margin. For example, say my adjacent, which is KPN. Now he is an MLA, right? आता त्या एरियात खुपशा लोकांची कामं असतली. So he has to go to the minister's office. Don't take it in the other way. He is trying to solve the issues of his constituency. Don't misunderstand. Majority of places something immediately officer also will be there. Interview actually. And depends on you might not be there for 8 days. So chances of you will be there.
Congress, I think he can join.
Can you clarify on that?
Sir, दुसरं तुला प्रश्न किती तुम्ही गुगळेच्यानच किती this is a very good point. मी बरे नोट केलं ना because see actually गोयची क्रांती जी असा पळय ती गुगळेच्यान स्टार्ट झाली. So we thought liberation स्वातंत्र्य liberation started from Kunkoli. So this is a revolution wherein we are trying to, this is the generation next Congress. So we thought that we should start it from Kunkoli.
Can you clarify on this media news about Virato could be the South Goa Congress candidate for Lok Sabha?
So there's a lot of time on that. अजून 2 वर्ष
2 वर्षांमध्ये त्याच्यात clarify करा मग तुमच्या नावाचं 4 वर्षांमध्ये
करता सी सदात मरे काँग्रेस इज अ सॉफ्ट टार्गेट सो तुम्ही ऑन दिस आमच्याकडे 2 वर्ष असा that the idea and see the first prime motto is to strengthen the party. Okay, out of 37 I mean म्हणजे काही इंटरव्ह्यूचं सांगा we had fielded candidates in 37 constituencies and in that 37 out of those 37 26 places we have got a vote share of about 34.5% and balance 11 places we have not done we have done very bad I can say. We have a vote share of about 4.7%. So our main focus will be to strengthen that area. We have to see now why our vote share has gone down there. block level, booth level, I think we'll have to form that. So we have got 2 years time. I mean, Lok Sabha election, don't know the time as up. We will strengthen our South Goa. Anyways, our sitting MP is there, but we don't want to keep any loopholes. We will strengthen our South Goa, and as well as my main focus will be North Goa, because North Goa last time we have lost by about 80,000 votes, and I think if we can build a cadre and organization, we can pull that seat.
साऊथ गोवाचं कामाचे तुम्ही समाधानी आसात न्हय? साऊथ गोवाचो तुमचो एमपी आसा न्हय, त्याच्या कामाचेर काँग्रेस समाधानी आसा?
See, South Goaचा जो MP asa, under MP scheme, whatever funds he's getting, he's working. I mean, I think today as taje ek one program is there in Mole, he has built a ground and he's gone for the inauguration. So under MP LED funds, whatever he gets, he's there actively. And the major issue, see, I remember the ambulance. I think ambulance was sanctioned, but they are not been allotted because during COVID time, I think MP funds are not released. So that's a major challenge for him.
तुम्ही म्हणतात किती जाणा की तुमचे जेन्ना लोकसभेची स्पेशली तुम्ही म्हणतात 2 वर्सांचा म्हणून, पूण किती जाता की आता साऊथ गोवा घेऊया, नॉर्थ गोवा घेऊया, तांच कॅन्डिडेट ऑलरेडी आसा, इज ऑलरेडी देयर, इज देयर सिन्स लॉंग. सो तुमचे श्रीपाद भाऊ, सो सिन्स लॉंग किती जाला की तुमचं मागे किती जाता की 2 महिने असताना बी तुम्ही कॅन्डिडेट सुद्धा भोवतात आणि मागे कोणा दवरया फाटल्या जाताले की जितेंद्रा दवरया काय गणपत दवरया काय आणि कोणा दवरया अशें करून तुम्ही तेतूंत तर तुमचे इलेक्शन हाडे पावता तुम्ही तेतूंतच आसताले. सो दिस वील चेंज काय अशेंच उरपाचें?
First focus is building and strengthening North Goa's all majority of the constituency blocks, and slowly I think within next 3-4 months you will see. I mean, you will be able to make out who is our projected candidate in North.
3 महिन्यांनी मेळटलो म्हणतात candidate.
Most probably जावपाक जाय.
Can I ask you a question? You have spoken about party organizational polls. Have your membership been completed, and how many members have been enrolled?
You see, our digital membership was there last date of 15th of this month, but our membership drive of hard copy, I mean physical form, is still going on. This month end is our cutoff for the membership for hard copy, and once that membership is done, then we'll go through process. But then organizational election is a different process. I mean, for example, suppose if we have about 40 booths.
Is membership not for organizational polls?
No. Organizational elections are going to happen. I mean, that's what I'm telling you. Say, suppose, for example, there are 40 booths in one constituency. So there will be 2 people from each booth. I mean, one will be the delegate and one will be, a person who can who will be the president of that booth. So 40 into 2, so there will be 80 people who will be selected, and those 80 will in turn vote for that particular block president. And then one member from each constituency, like South Goa, we have got about 20. So those 20 will elect the district president. So that is how it is going to work. Thank you.
Thank you.